Hi, my name is Brian LaPayower, and this is LaPayower Report, the fundamental talk show program where I conduct conversations with individuals who have unique skills and talents. Did you know that water purification is the process of removing undesirable chemicals, materials, and biological contaminants from contaminated water? The goal is to produce water fit for a specific purpose. Most water is purified for a human consumption drinking water, but water purification may also be designed for a variety of other purposes, including meeting the requirements of medical, pharmacological, chemical, and industrial applications. In general, the methods used include physical processes such as filtration and sedimentation, biological processes such as slow sand filters or activated sludge, chemical processes such as fluorescence and chlorination, and the use of electromagnetic radiation such as ultraviolet light. The purification process of water may reduce the concentration of particular matter, including suspended particles, parasites, bacteria, algae, viruses, fungi, and a range of dissolved and particulate material derived from the surfaces that water may have made contact with after falling as rain. The standards for drinking water quality are typically set by governments or by international standards. These standards will typically set minimum and maximum concentrations of contaminants for the use that is to be made of the water. It is not possible to tell whether water is of an appropriate quality by visual examination. Simple process such as boiling or the use of a household activated carbon filter are not sufficient for treating all the possible contaminants may have been present in water from an unknown source. Even natural spring water, considered safe for all the practical purposes in the 19th century, must now be tested before determining what kind of treatment, if any, is needed. Chemical analysis, while expensive, is the only way to obtain the information necessary for deciding an appropriate method of purification. My featured guest is not only involved with purifying water, but also has a way to make anyone live throughout a healthy lifespan, and his name is Rama Singh. Rama Singh, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Brian.
Okay. I was a little nervous, reading out the description, but one, I understand. Can you tell us viewers about out there who you are?
Okay.
The viewers that are watching.
Yeah, Brian, I'm a scientist and also engineer by profession.
Okay.
I have been in health enhancement, natural health enhancement business for the last 15 years, more than 15 years.
Okay.
I promote how you can live naturally, healthy lifestyle, okay? I own a company in Edison, New Jersey.
Okay.
We manufacture and market natural health enhancement products. One of the products that I'm going to be talking tonight is our air purification system.
Okay.
You see, indoor air pollution is one of the top 5 public health risks in USA today. Okay. What we are doing here is we have found a system where this unit that I'm going to be talking about,
okay.
What it does, it purifies indoor air. Okay, people are getting allergy, asthma, bronchitis, sinus headache, sleep disorder. I was talking to a gentleman right here. He was talking about bad air in his house. A lot of people have basements, musty smell, odor, cigarette smoke, and all kind of pollutants or indoor. Why?
Yeah, yes, you said why, so
Right,
go ahead.
Because, we are building houses, apartments, buildings, all airtight. Okay, and reason why we do it, to conserve energy. Without realizing, we are trapping pollutants. They have no place to go. Okay, we conserve energy, but we are trapping them, and that, as a result, people are getting asthma, allergy, bronchitis, sinus headache, sleep disorder, a lot of pollution problems here.
Okay.
What I've done here is I've designed a system.
Okay.
Okay.
My cup.
Okay. It's a small,
Maybe we'll see
portable, very light, as you can
Okay.
see. You can travel with this. What we do from this machine,
Yes.
we produce what we call activated oxygen.
Okay.
We don't put any chemical in this. It's not a filter. We don't draw air in. We produce a gas called activated oxygen. Oxygen, okay?
Yes.
All right.
CO2, they call it.
Yeah, O2.
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 Okay.
CO2 is actually carbon dioxide.
Yes, this is oxygen. Okay, oxygen is very, very important for us. So what do we do? Oxygen is all around us. What we actually do, we break that oxygen molecule. Oxygen has two atoms.
Yes.
We break it, and it recombines with what we call oxygen molecule and produces ozone, also known as activated oxygen. And once we produce this, we throw in the room, in the air. That air floats around, okay? And you might say how it floats around, though, okay? You see, if you do cooking in your kitchen and you are upstairs, let's say, would you smell the food?
Definitely you'll smell the food.
Okay, every closed area has something called internal circulation. So if I throw air from here, it will float around, okay, and it will go everywhere in the room. We generate that oxygen, activated oxygen called ozone. We pump it, and ozone is one of the most effective disinfectant available in the market today, bar none. Okay. What it does, it will kill germs, bacteria, viruses. If there are odors are compounds. Ozone mixes with the odor and changes that compound into a different compound. Okay, thereby it will remove any kind of smoke, germs, bacteria, viruses. Also, when you generate ozone, you are also generating something called negative ions. Negative ions, what they do, if there are floating dust particles in the room, they latch onto them and they form something called clusters. And those clusters become heavy.
Yes.
As a result, they can't float, that they will fall on the floor. So when you vacuum the room, you are removing, okay? When you vacuum the room, you are removing all the dust particles. And that's what this machine does.
What's the name of this machine exactly?
We call ozone, QFL ozone air purifier.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. So this one little device, when you have it turned on, does it actually, this little device will actually circulate the whole room?
Yes. Let me tell you, okay? You see, we have, when you push the power button, it will turn the machine on.
Okay.
And as a result, from here, we are throwing that ozone.
Okay.
It will float around, okay? And it comes with an automatic setting, by the way. You can turn it on and off, or you can set it up. It will turn on for 15 minutes, then it will be turned off.
So there's a timer for this on.
Yeah, timer is there.
There's timers. Okay.
Right. Okay, so you can control how much ozone you are pumping in the room. By the way, this little machine will cover up to 2,500 square feet.
Really?
It's a big coverage is very, very good.
So if one little device would say in Home Depot, it would actually purify the air of Home Depot?
Okay, no, okay,
okay.
it will cover up to 2,500 square feet area.
Oh, square feet.
Right.
Okay.
Now, what I'm also going to explain a little bit, that it doesn't work like a filter.
Okay.
Okay, a lot of people get confused with filtration and purification. What filters do, that they will draw the air in, and then they have filter. All the dirt goes on the filter, and then they will push the same air out.
Okay.
The problem with that purification is, after a while, the filter itself becomes contaminated.
Okay.
And after a while, the same air is coming out there. And also, filters cannot kill germs and bacteria. Our machine generates ozone. Ozone will kill germs, bacteria, viruses. Okay, so that's a major difference. Other thing we do not draw air inside the machine. Okay, we push the air outside. Okay, so you're getting always a fresh air all the time. Other thing I like to mention is ozone, the gas that we produce, that's a temporary phase of oxygen. Means after 15 to 20 minutes, if you have excess ozone floating around in the room, it will get converted back into oxygen. So not only you are removing germs, bacteria, viruses, but if you are using this machine to clean the room, clean the air in the room,
yes,
you are breathing more oxygen.
Really?
Okay. Other thing I like to mention is it's a portable.
Okay.
As you can see, it's less than 2 pounds.
Okay.
Okay, and it consumes less than 15 watts of electricity.
Okay.
Okay, it's a portable. You can move room to room. It's a very, very good machine.
Right.
You can travel with it. You see, when you go to a hotel, a motel.
I do have actually on the screen right now about the device.
Yes, you see, as you can see on the screen, it removes odor, smoke, mold, dust, kills germs, bacteria, viruses.
Yes.
Provides oxygen-rich fresh air 24/7.
Okay.
In your home or workplace. By the way, you people can take at their workplace, they can put this machine. May help with the allergy, asthma, bronchitis. These are few benefits. You might have also heard bed bugs.
Yes, the bed bugs.
Okay,
We had an epidemic about last year, I believe 2009, 2010.
Great machine.
Yes.
You put it on the bed, turn the machine on, cover this machine with the bed sheet. Any germ, any bacteria that is lurking around, they will be totally gone. Okay, we are also promoting this machine for hotel. You see, when the maid goes to clean the room, they can turn the machine on. Okay, and you can see, okay, that it will help a lot in removing the bacteria, germs. Okay, you can see on the screen.
Yes.
What is ozone?
Yes.
The question is, ozone, if we go to the next screen, I will explain, okay, that the air that we have here has oxygen in it.
Okay.
Air basically has 2 atoms. If we can go to the next picture there.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, actually, it's the same one before, but
right.
They'll get the control room will get to us.
Right. So no problem. Okay. So I will explain again.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Oxygen has 2 atoms.
Right.
What we do, we apply a high electrical discharge and break those atoms, separate them. And then they go and recombine. If you see the picture over there,
there we go.
There are 2 atoms, and there is a high electrical discharge through which those atoms are separated, and then they recombine with the oxygen molecule, and they form something called 3-atom oxygen. That's called triatomic oxygen, also known as ozone.
Okay.
Now, the third atom that is there, okay, I hope I'm not confusing people there.
I hope not.
The third atom.
Yeah, explain to the viewers. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
third atom it does the trick. It's a very loosely attached. If you see viruses, germs, bacteria, odor, smoke, any kind of chemical compound,
Yes.
it will latch onto it and convert them into a non-harmful gases.
Okay.
And that's how the air purification process works with this machine.
Now, you said you can also use the machine also while traveling. We do have another screen, actually.
Yeah, this is the system I was talking about. You know, you can see,
Right.
okay, from 2-atom, it becomes 3-atom.
Yes.
That 3-atom, one of the atom is loosely attached that will attack any gas, any germ, any bacteria, and render them harmless. And then at the end, you will see that biatomic oxygen is right there. So you will be breathing more oxygen. That's what
Okay.
I was explaining to you.
Okay.
Yes, go ahead.
Now, with the machine right here, you said you could travel with this machine. Am I travel with this machine, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
You can travel with it. You go in let's say in a hotel. How many times you go in a hotel, 5-star hotel, you go inside the room, it smells.
Well,
Okay.
depends on what the maids are using. We do have another screen now. It's about dust removal for a room.
Right.
Explain
Okay.
that, please.
The dust removal is, while you're generating ozone,
Right.
you're also generating negative ions. Okay. Negative ions, what they do, they latch onto any floating particles that is in the air. Okay. And they form what I call clusters.
Okay.
Those clusters become heavy. They can't float no more, so they fall on the floor. So when you vacuum the room, you're removing all dust particles. Those dust particles are not going through your nose in your lung. They are getting out. Okay, you can vacuum it, clean it up, and that's how this machine removes dust particles from the room.
Okay. And it goes to the machine. What about a adapter for the car?
Okay, we have, okay, not with this machine,
Okay.
but we will bring, we don't have right now.
Okay.
Okay, we will bring an attachment that you can put in your car, but it's a very good system to clean the car.
Yes.
Okay, if you use extension wire, put this unit in your car, close the door, and turn the machine on. Guess what? Within 5 minutes, okay, or 10 minutes, the car will smell fresh.
Really?
Okay, it has a tremendous uses. As you can see, it's a lightweight. You can move room to room. You can travel with it. Get a pure air all the time, 24/7.
Okay. Let me lift this. Can you lift it up a little bit?
Sure.
Okay. Just want to feel it. Okay. Definitely weighs about 2 ounces. Definitely about. I do feel about 2 ounces. About
Less than 2 pounds.
less than 2 pounds. Yeah, about 1.5.
Right.
Okay. Simple device. You can use it for actually up to like over 200,000 square feet.
2,500 square feet area.
So mostly this device is preferred to be used mostly for indoors or outdoors or both?
Indoors.
Indoors.
Indoors. Especially right now, it's a winter, right?
Oh, yes,
So you
correct.
close the doors and windows, you are breathing the same air.
Yes.
Okay. You track a lot of things. There are important
Okay,
features.
now we do have another another
Okay,
screen.
important features. QFL Breathe Pure has several features. A portable, lightweight, as we explained to you. It comes with a 1-year warranty. It's great to kill bed bugs, germs, bacteria, viruses. Also, the most important thing I will emphasize that if you are cleaning your room
Yes.
with this machine, not only you are removing all the garbage that you got in the air,
Yeah.
but also you are breathing more oxygen. Okay. Filters. You might ask, what is the difference between this and other filtration system? The most important thing is this machine
Yes.
will give you more oxygen, and there is no filtration system that can do that. Okay, so it's very good.
Okay. Now, what about, now you said about with the rooms and everything in the household. What if a room has a ceiling fan?
It will even help it. It will circulate the air even much better.
Okay, we have to have a disclaimer here about the product.
Right.
And it says this unit is not designed to diagnose any cure or disease.
Right. Okay. This is a machine that helps you remove germs, bacteria, viruses, give you fresh air 24/7. It's portable, as I mentioned to you. And also, I would like to explain to you that it consumes less than 15 watts of electricity. Okay. So there are so many benefits for this machine.
Okay, and the machine could be on 24 hours a day.
You can turn it. You can set it up on and off, on and off, on and off. Okay. The control is right in your hand.
Okay.
Okay.
And now, besides the air purifier, is there any other devices that you have invented?
You know, I haven't invented, but we also market a water purification system.
Right.
If you go to our website, we have a website called qflinc.com. Okay, you will see a super oxygenated water purification system. I call it, it's like a bottled water system. You can produce bottled water in your home.
Okay.
On our website, along with this machine, you will see a water purification system. We also market shower heads.
Okay.
Okay, that takes out all the chlorine from the water. Okay, so those machines are there. We also manufacture and market some health enhancement diet product, weight loss product.
Okay. We do have something on the disclaimer right here.
Yes.
More about the machine.
Yes, it's the same thing that we just talked about the machine. Also, I have explained how the oxygen gets converted into ozone and how ozone attacks the germs, bacteria, viruses. Okay, so we on our site qflinc.com.
Okay.
There are a lot of other products besides this.
Okay. And for dietary products, for me, I'm trying to lose weight, about around 240. So you definitely have supplements.
Yeah, I have supplement. I have a unique tea called Wheat tea from China. Fantastic product. That Wheat tea is right on the website. All the information is there. If people want to, they can go there, take a look at it. If they are interested, there are telephone numbers. They can call us. We'll be more than happy to help them.
Now, now this machine right here, I know it's like a standard size. Are there any machines bigger than the actual size?
Yeah, we have for what you call larger commercials.
Yes.
Okay. We have a machine that can cover larger, big areas. This is basically designed up to 2,500 square feet area.
Okay, now we have another a little picture on the screen.
Yes,
right
same thing, same picture.
A little more detailed.
Yeah, more details about the product. Okay, which we have already explained. But to answer your question,
yes,
we have larger units for commercial purposes, but this is basically designed for rooms, homes, apartments, workplace. It's very, very good.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. So this machine could be worked from nearly anywhere, indoors, outdoors.
Indoors.
Primarily indoors.
Right.
Okay, I definitely learned a lot about this product, and you mentioned about all the products here. But right now, what you call time's running out on us here, and I definitely want to say I definitely learned a lot, Rama Singh. Before we end the program, if any viewer out there wants to make contact with you, how can they do that?
They can just they can call our toll-free number 1-800-537-3267, 1-800-537-3267, or they can say go QFL at QFLinc.com.
Okay.
They can send us email. We will be more than happy to help them.
Okay. Well, right now I just want to thank the staff and crew here helping me out. I also like to thank you, Rama Singh. I also like to thank out Guy K. Comier. I also like to thank Guy K. Comier, count people here, Davey, Lewis, Christine, Pat, Mike, Helene, and Eb, and also a special thanks to Master Yusuf Lee Abdullah for actually having you come on the program. So we're going to take it from here. So. For anybody who wants to make contact with me, they can contact me at LaPayower@gmail.com. And I'm going to take it from here. Once again, my name is Brian LaPayower, and this was LaPayower Report. Take care.